Happy Sunday. It's another Sunday morning, and we are celebrating the number one devotional, Rhapsody of Realities. And this is Rhapsody Clicks. Now, has Rhapsody been a blessing to you? I want you to go on the comment section and let us know how much you've benefited from the Rhapsody Realities. One of the things that the Rhapsody Realities does for you is to help you see life spiritually. Jesus Christ looked at life from a spiritual standpoint. There are many things that we will not have known about the spirit realm apart from what we learn through the gospel in the scriptures. And I want you to study today's Rhapsody Realities and see how to always see and consider things spiritually. Praise God. Today is going to be a great day for you. I want you to go on the comment section and use the link that is there and sponsor Rhapsody Realities and let someone else know that life is spiritual. God bless you. Have a great day.